Okay guys, hello. That's a wonderful wrap. We just finished our live training today with the executive. Yeah, today is the last day I'm having executive training with people, and the fee will be 50,000. Now the next one is going to be actually 100K. Now I need you to understand what you want to start to gain from the trading. Now you'll be learning exactly how you'll be able to be making at least over $1 million every month. Now just by digital trading. I'm not talking about you're not coming to talk and gist. No, you are also going to be getting a full 2 months monitoring from me, live trading together, for you to be able to make at least over $1 million every month. Now, is it possible to make millions? Yes. Is it possible to even make more? Yes. But you see, slow and steady. The journey to $1 million starts with 1,000 naira. So can I show you the trick of how you can conveniently be making over 1,000 every time you're trading? Can you be making $20, $30? From there, you can learn to maximize it. All these things you're looking at, it will take time. No, it won't. And if you're wondering, how will you learn? It's actually both online and digital trading. You are going to be learning online, and also we are going to have a physical training here in Ikeja. We're going to have a live one. Very soon I'll be having another one in Abuja, but for now, we'll be hosting you in Lagos. You will be able to make good profit, but you see there are requirements involved. One, you must have mobile phone with internet access. You must have 2, 1 hour dedicated for trading and training, and then you must also have a free time on the Saturday for the live event. Also, you must have 4 hours for the online training. Like tomorrow now, Sunday, we're going to have online section for today's own, and all the other people who have also signed up, they also have their own training as well. Now, it's possible for you and I to make this money, but I'm not saying, come and hammer all of a sudden. No, come and first learn the process. The money will come. I can assure you that. Now, most people usually ask me this one question: what is the guarantee that I'm going to make money? Now, I have an answer for you. What is the guarantee that you are going to do exactly what you are asked to? If you can guarantee yourself of following instruction, you will definitely make money. Now, for the other requirements you need trading capital from 50,000 and above. You don't need big money. Forget it. You don't need big money. You can start with what you have. 50,000 will get you started. Also, for the training, you need 100K. Yes, you are wondering, 100K. Why? Because what I'm going to be sharing and showing with you, you will be amazed and stunned at how easy it can be. Now, it is all training that is going to help you make it. You can hear the testimony of my student. You get to understand. Everybody does not operate at the same level. There are some, they are fast learner, they learn faster. There are some, they take their time. Even if you don't know anything about trading, I can help you to understand what you need to know. When to trade the market, when the market is going up, when the market is coming down, when you are to enter, exactly when you are to get off, how to maximize the profit. You see me trade this way every day with small amounts. You don't have to do big money to make big money. Start small. If you are faithful in small, you will definitely be faithful in big. Now, if you're also looking for opportunity to learn, you don't know how, you don't have 100,000, you can always come to learn my basic, which is 50,000 naira. And if you don't have 50,000, you still want to learn, hey, there's still room for you. Guess what you need to do? Go to my YouTube channel right now. Go to my YouTube channel, go to the playlist, then check for free training. It will get you started, at least help you to be able to make 10%. Just follow all the given instructions step by step, and you will get the result. God bless you, and I'll see you on another meeting. God bless you. Have a wonderful